The fourth generation of the Škoda Superb is making waves with its introduction of mild hybrid technology. For the first time, the entry-level 1.5 TSI model comes with a 48-volt belt-driven starter generator and a 48-volt lithium-ion battery. This allows for energy recuperation during braking, which can either support the internal combustion engine or enable the vehicle to coast with the engine off. In addition to this, Škoda offers 2 more 2-liter TSI units and 2 diesel engines, all mated to a 7-speed DSG as standard. The new Superb has grown in size, offering more space for passengers and luggage. It has increased in length by 43 millimeters and in height by 12 millimeters, providing additional headroom and luggage capacity. Despite the increase in size, the vehicle's aerodynamics have been optimized, boasting a CD drag coefficient of just 0.24. The interior has been completely redesigned, featuring a freestanding central display with a screen diagonal of up to 13 inches. This is complemented by a head-up display, a first for Škoda's ICE flagship model. The new Škoda Smart Dials, 3 rotary push buttons below the infotainment screen, provide quick and easy access to various vehicle functions. The center console has been reorganized for a more spacious and tidy look, with the gear lever now located directly on the steering column. Traditional trim levels have been replaced by new options, Essence and Selection, which are further complemented by the Sportline and Lauren and Clement versions. Each of these features a unique interior design, blending contemporary concepts with an emphasis on sustainable materials. The vehicle's width and wheelbase have remained unchanged, but detailed work on the occupant cell and exterior mirrors have contributed to its improved aerodynamics. The latest iteration of the Superb design language features many of the Škoda brand's signature sculptural lines, making it a visually appealing choice for consumers. All engines in the new Superb meet the Euro 6D emission standard, making it an environmentally friendly option in the sedan market. The vehicle also offers all-wheel drive as standard in its top petrol unit, a 2-liter TDI with 193 horsepower, ensuring better road grip and performance. The Superb's luggage capacity has increased by 20 to 645 liters, making it a practical choice for families or those who require extra storage space. The vehicle's optimized air intakes and aerodynamic design contribute to its fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective option in the long run. Škoda has also focused on user-friendly technology, with the new Smart Dials providing quick access to many vehicle functions. This makes it easier for the driver to control various aspects of the car without having to navigate through complicated menus. The introduction of mild hybrid technology in the Superb is a significant step for Škoda, as it shows the brand's commitment to sustainable mobility solutions. The energy recuperation system not only improves fuel efficiency, but also reduces the vehicle's overall carbon footprint. The new Superb comes with a variety of engine options, allowing consumers to choose based on their performance needs and environmental concerns. Whether you opt for a petrol engine or a diesel one, you're guaranteed a vehicle that meets stringent emissions standards. The fourth-generation Škoda Superb offers a blend of advanced technology, improved space, and sustainable features. With its mild hybrid system, redesigned interior, and optimized aerodynamics, it sets a new standard in the sedan market, making it a compelling choice for modern consumers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.